So in this video, I'm going to go over these locking hand grips for any type of e-bike with a half twist throttle. So if you're like me and you know what, you got a little small e-bike or a large e-bike that has the half twist throttle right here, and you have these style of hand grips on here, this is the old ones that were on here, and what would happen is they would constantly twist around and just annoyed me a lot. And I wanted to upgrade my hand grips, and this is what I had found. Because you got this little half one right here, that's what you need. You can see how nice, and it kind of looks like it's factory made right here. You just loosen these up. I did have to move some stuff around because you're going to have to go in further. Loosen that bolt up, slide it down till it just barely covers over it, tighten that back up. Then you get these end caps. I popped the old end cap out that was in it. This is what came in it, and I just used a little small screwdriver. Have to get some Allen keys because you will have to maneuver your brake levers around and your display, or at least on my bike I did. And then once you tighten it down, check it out. Let me try to turn it. Look at that. I am twisting and I can barely turn it when I go on it. Now where it really came in is because I do the twist throttle right there, and I like resting my hand on there. These are ergo hand grips also, so they're going to be nice and comfortable over long hauls, and they have this gnarl grip right there. This is one of the best upgrades I've made on this bike in a while, besides the seat pad. This is the Appa City seat pad right here. I added that to it, and this little Viva course bag, you know, I didn't have to do much to it. This bike was already set up with everything, but I just wanted to kind of show you guys these hand grips and what I've done on this thing, and let you know this might be something that you might need if you got a half twist throttle e-bike. So yeah, see y'all in the next video.